Sunday morning, Easter Sunday, in Silver City, New Mexico. It is 50-something degrees. Yesterday, it was 100. Today it's 50. I'm gonna get some breakfast here at the Jumping Cactus, and then I'm gonna head out, do a quick loop through the Gila National Forest, and then shoot down to Marfa, Texas. While I'm here, waiting for breakfast to open up, I can color in New Mexico. Really blown away by how different all of the landscape is through the roads I've traveled so far. I almost ran out of gas again, believe it or not. This time, I put 4.962 gallons in the tank. It's a 5-gallon tank. Let's see if I can find some lunch. Well, that was much better than expected. I thought that was going to be more like a chain. Turns out there are a couple locations, but turns out they actually have, it's a real brewery. It's award-winning beer. We've got about 200 miles to Marfa. Most of that is highway, at least 100 miles on the highway. So I'm just going to try to, knock it out as much as I can here. 30 miles to the Prada Store. I don't know why I'm obsessed with seeing this thing, but I'm going like 90 miles out of the way to see it. So I hope it's cool. Prada Marfa. It was a long, flat, straight road with basically no speed limit, and I think my beers exploded because they're dripping, and I don't really want to deal with that right now. What an epic day. I'm in a safari tent. I rode 76 miles through the Gila National Forest, and that was awesome. That was just amazing riding. got my my picture by the Prada shop, and you know, just out here living the dream.